It's your travel agent David, and while we're in Anchorage, Alaska, we are staying at the Captain Cook Hotel. Captain Cook Hotel is named after, guess what? Captain Cook. Why is it named after Captain Cook? Well, because Captain Cook, on his final voyage, mapped out the coastline of Alaska. Now, we're staying here for a couple reasons. One, it's a historic hotel. It's very popular. It was built in 1965. That was Tower 1. Tower 2 was built in 1972. Tower 3 was built in 1978. It has about 540 guest rooms. Celebrities, dignitaries, and YouTube travel vloggers all have stayed here. It's very close to 4th Avenue, 5th Avenue, where all the shops are at, the bars are at, the restaurants are at, and even the 5th Avenue Mall. Inside the hotel, there are several different restaurants and bars that you can partake in. They even have a restaurant up there so you can get 360 panoramic views of Anchorage. Now, is valet only parking? There is a parking garage about 3 blocks down right at the mall. It's $2 an hour for parking, so 48 bucks a day. There's a valet here by the name of Jesus. Dude's phenomenal. He already knows my name since day one. So he's like, "Oh, Mr. Karras." I'm like, "Yes." And he's like, "Psh, psh," and takes care of everything. So that's really cool. Customer service is pretty key up here. Although it is dated, the room is still very spacious, and considering that the hotel was built in 1965, this is very luxurious. Check out the room. Now, one of the restaurants they have in here is Fletcher's. Fletcher's is an Italian restaurant, and just so you know, right, the crow's nest up at the top, 10,000 bottles of wine in their cellar.